Hey guys, I did a community post on this, but I went to Five Below earlier. Oh, y'all want to see my Halloween animatronic display? Yeah. But we're gonna be unboxing and setting up the frightening clown. It says animatronic. I hope it's an animatronic. Oh. Alright. We got a bunch of stuff. I have to get my mom's help. I gotta put the phone down because it takes the. I have to put the football down. Alright. So here's his costume. Pole sticks, more. Alright. Oh my god. Almost hit him out. Should do this well. Oh. So frightening clown. Very cool. He's pretty big. He's about 6 foot tall. One of my first life-size animatronics. I don't know. I might be getting the Night Terror for my birthday. Only because it's one of the cheapest animatronics. See, that's a life-size. What's this? I don't understand what this is, but it's, oh my god. Right as I was about to say, it's probably important I drop it. But, this is a budget prop. But here was $25. I can't miss something. I can't miss out on something like that. Oh, his shoes. A second ago, his legs were attached, and he just had one shoe. But nope, he's got two. They were just inside each other. Alright. Frightening clown, pretty big. You can't just pop these. You have to help in some way. Like, look at this guy's head. This guy's got a huge head. Five Below had his hair. Five Below had his hair styled. Like, they had it like styled in a ponytail. It was awesome. But if I wanted to, I think I could use this in a jumpsuit for Halloween. But I'm not going to because I'm not 6 foot tall yet. I'm just entering like 5th or 6th grade. But we got spider webs. Also, I want to show you my outdoor display, but like at the end of the video. Alright, so I'm getting help from an adult with this frightening clown, who is not actually very frightening. He's just a budget prop, and he's also really cool looking, kind of. His hand is actually huge. Like, his hand is huge compared to my hand. Look at his hand compared to his head. It's not even that, it's like pretty big. Alright, so. Alright, is it plugged? Yeah, alright. Alright, gotta hold him down. It looks like he's got wiring, so he obviously makes sound or something. His eyes light up, I know that. On the box it shows his eyes light up, and it looks like he's got LEDs on his eyes. How are we gonna fit this guy through the door is my question. Like, I wanna have him outside. Also, he's just gonna be balding. Yeah, he's very well balding in the back of his head. I don't want to have this in my house because if I wake up at like 3 a.m. on the couch and I see him, I'm just going to forget all what I did, all what we did earlier today. I mean, right now. I'm going to be oblivious to it, and I'm going to start screaming very loudly because I'm like, oh my God, who is that? And then I remember, oh, it's just a Halloween decoration. It can't do nothing to me. Yeah, whenever you wake up.
Did it say directions?
Alright, yeah, so we found directions.
Oh, that's wow.
Yeah, town link. You get another town link. So stupid that the school gave me. Look at this. He's being put together. His hand is actually huge compared to mine, though. If he's got the right amount of fingers, that's good. He needs batteries. Of course he does. Right whenever we think we're about to be finished, he needs batteries. Also, let me show you my spring bonnie. This is a spring bonnie figure. It's not done yet, but he's got a customized bow tie. Also, I got Cyan. Huh?
You see where that battery went?
Where?
I said, do you see it?
No.
Under the table somewhere.
No, I don't see it.
Move. Watch out, under the table.
Are you a cow? Man, I've just been really busy. That. Quick popping of bubbles.
Quit putting these up if you're not going to put them down.
Oh, my cats will love this stuff.
Well, let's hope we don't have any batteries, because I can't find the other one.
Grab another battery.
There aren't any more. Go over there.
Move the couch out. Oh, I found it. It was by his foot. Don't know how you missed that.
Well, because I dropped it on this side.
Where do you fit it? Here's an animatronic. Hold him on.
Let's put it outside.
He is very loud. I'll set him up where I want him. This would also be a very good time to show you all my outdoor display.
Where do you want it?
So, some inflatables. We got a big dragon, a little ghosty,
Where do you want this thing at?
a big dragon, or a little dragon now. Him and him. Here, give me.
You have this. Hold it. So I can fix the legs. Alright, where do you want him?
Here, you hold him. Here, give me this. We'll have to see if it'll stand, but I don't want him to be in the inflatable spot. I kind of want him to be over here.
You're just asking for somebody to steal it.
Oh, okay. If somebody's gonna come up and steal it, put him probably like, yeah. Put him there. Plug him in. Don't turn him on. Let's get him adjusted.
Alright, you adjust them. I'm gonna go grab the steak.
I think he's pretty well adjusted. This clown is awesome looking, but he's pretty tall too. I am like literally up to this point on him. He's pretty tall, obviously. I'm a little afraid he's gonna fall over if I just turn him on. Yeah, we're not gonna turn him on yet. My house is beautiful from over here. Look at beautiful wood. Oh crap. Something just went off inside of me. And now I'm quite wondering if a skinwalker is gonna be back there and gonna murder my family and me. Although I shouldn't be worried about that kind of stuff because it's not real. Unless you're the type of person that believes that that's real. No offense to you. Although all offense to flat earthers. Earth is not flat. If Earth was flat, the people on the bottom of it would fall off.
I don't see anywhere to. Oh, I think I know what to do.
Ah! Look, he's toppling. He's pretty flat, but that's okay because he's good. He's a nice animatronic. I recommend if you find him in stores, you get him. Like if we don't have any life-size animatronics, because he's life-size and he's pretty cool. Activate. Come on, you're on, right? Oh my god. Alright, he's really cool. He's actually a really nice animatronic. He'll also probably give people a good scare if he just activates while people are driving by. Oh, he's awesome.
Huh?